Hello everyone, Joe Follico for Insignia Futures and Options. This is part 1 of our InsigniaTrader platform tutorial series. Let's get started. As you can see here on the initial InsigniaTrader login page, you'll put in your account number and password. Click Login, and that will bring you into the platform. So in this video we will be discussing the trading matrix, which you're going to see here. Trading matrix is the quote board. This is where all the information comes in. There's a scroll bar here. You could also use, if you have a scroll wheel on your mouse, move up and down. So initially we have tabs set up already. So this, what we're coming in on, is the main tab. Then we have it broken down by different market sectors, currencies, energies, interest rate metals, and so on. So let's first start with working with symbols. So let's say, for example, you wanted to trade a commodity that's not shown in this main list, and you want to add it. First thing you're going to do, you're going to see two symbol lookup or add symbol boxes, one at the top, one at the bottom. If you click into those symbol search boxes, it'll bring up a menu where you could choose from a list of commodities. So for example, let's say you want to trade mini corn. We'll use that as an example. Or actually, let's go with full-size corn. So click on that, and then it will give you different contract months and years to choose from. So as you can see here, September, December, March, going into the following year. You could add multiple contracts. You don't have to do one at a time. So the ones you do want to add, you would just choose the circle, check them, and you'll see down here then there's an add, and it'll tell you how many contracts you're going to add. For this example, let's just choose the March of 24 contract. So we'll click add. And now you'll see it's always, anytime you add a contract, it will always be added to the bottom of the list. But you can move that up by just dragging upwards, and it'll move it up just like that. You could also, again, scroll with the scroll bar here on the side, or again, if you have a mouse with a scroll wheel, you could scroll like that. Now let's talk about removing a symbol. So let's say, for example, palladium here. You don't trade palladium. You're going to see 3 dots to the left of each contract. Click on the 3 dots, and you're going to pop open a sub menu here at the very bottom. You'll see remove symbol. That will take it out of the list. Again, let's say you don't trade platinum. Again, click the 3 dots and choose remove symbol. When working with these tabs, you can create your own as well. So you would click this plus button here, and let's say there's just certain markets that you want to trade. You could add them, again, using the add symbol feature. You can rename this. If you double click here, you'll get a cursor, and there you can then type in whatever you'd like to name this tab. And then you'll also notice with each of these tabs there's an X next to each one. That's if you want to remove it. So again, you created this one, you said I don't need it, or any of these. Just click the X and it's gone. So again, that's how you add tabs. And the final thing I want to show in this quick getting started video here is you can resize this window. So this trading matrix is its own window. All of these are separate windows that we're looking at here. You have the trading matrix, charts, indicators, fill window, and so on. Again, these could be all moved around, resized here, and within the window for the trading matrix, you can move these columns around, or I should say resize them. So again, you want to adjust the size to make things fit. You'll see the double arrow appears when you hover over the dividing line between the 2 columns. And then finally, you can change what columns are shown and not shown. And by doing that, click this little gear icon here in the top right corner of the trading matrix window. that will open up a selector on this right hand side, displayed columns. That's going to show you what's already there, and on the left hand side will be what can be added. So if there's something that's currently there that you do not want, you just uncheck the box and then it will be taken away. And if there's something that you want to add, you could check that box and it will get added. And again, it's going to get added to the bottom of the list, but again, you could drag these up, move them around. In here, you could also again drag them in within the trading matrix window. One thing to note is if you click save, it's going to save it for this tab. If you want to make this the default layout for all of your tabs, then choose save and default, and again that will create this as the default setting for the layout you have for the trading matrix. So again, this is just getting started, how to add symbols. The next video will be about placing orders, so we invite you to check that out. Thank you.